comparing the Tecno Pop 2 Power with the A56 Itel, you can actually see this one it has bigger size than this, and actually you can see they have the same 12-month warrant with 5.9 IPS full screen, 4000 milliampere battery, and 2.5D curve with 16GB ROM and 1GB RAM. And this one has the bright screen of 500 CD per meter square with running Android 9 Pie, which is Go edition, of the Android 9 Pie, with dual camera, 8.0 megapixels at the main camera, and the front camera is 5.0 megapixels. As you can see, it has 8 times function fingerprint. So here's the phone. So it has a dual camera at the back here with what the specification have given here, and you can see it's running Android 9 Pie, but this one is actually running Android 8.0, right? So you can see Tecno Pop 2 Power, you can see the operating system, the 5.5-inch full view, and this one is up to absolutely 5.99 view. This one has 4000 milliampere battery, the same thing as this. The front camera is 8 megapixels, the same thing as that also. So you can see the ROM is 8 gig, and this one has 16 gigabytes, and the RAM is 1 gig as well. So they both have fingerprint sensors and the whole thing. But this one is actually more than this in terms of the specification. You can see the resolution is 960 by 480, and you can see the camera, the battery capacity is 4000 milliampere typical capacity, but it has about 3000 something like the main capacity of the battery. So you can see that this one is running Android 8.1 Go edition, while this one is running Android 9.0 Pie Go edition also. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech videos. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.